sunscreen on, and now we're heading down the Sueur, part 2 of this day. Whoop whoop! This was pretty shocking to me when we got here that it was so low. We had just come off the Sueur River, which was ripping, roaring, raging, just an absolute blast. I was expecting the same on the Sueur. Last year when we came on it, it was higher and just so much fun because there's so many riffles and rapids along the way. But this was pretty much a rock mine most of the way. But there was plenty of peaceful scenes just like this one and the one coming up in between the rapids. It's no more than Class 1 rapids at this time of the year as you're watching this video, but I'm not sure. Maybe sometimes it can get up to a Class 2. I haven't been on it enough times to know, but this trip it was no more than Class 1. Right there. Prepare for a bumpy ride. Maybe go backwards a little bit. Big rock! Keep everybody in my boat. Keep everybody in my boat. Everybody in my boat. Stay in the boat. Stay in the boat. Stay in the boat. other way. Like a champ. Here we go. Woo! Oh, she made it. Yeah. Good job, everybody. Good job. Woo! Woo! That got my heart going. How's it going? Are you catching anything?
Oh, a couple here and there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful day.
It is indeed.
Okay. A little hard to read the river. Look at those birds. That was cool. Watch for rocks. I know, they're going crazy. They have homes in the dirt up there. Rapids to the right or boring on the left?
Oh, that's...
We're here for adventure. We're taking the right. On rocks on the other side. One of the nice things about going with a group is that the people in the front are the ones who really take the hit if they take a path that just ends up not being good. And it's really tough in a river like this where it's a little bit wider and you just kind of have to choose the best of the worst. So as you see in this situation, a couple people ended up getting stuck, and then I just back paddled until I had time to look for a good place to try to lead the rest of the people. So you'll see how this plays out. These rocks you really have to look out for. They kind of look like, if you think of an arch of a cat or a frown face, you have to read the water, and when it looks like that frown face or the arching of a cat, kind of think of it as beware, stay away from these. That's a big boulder under there or a rock. Usually it's a bigger boulder. You really want to stay away from those, otherwise your kayak's going to go up on them, and that's how a lot of people flip. So avoid those at all costs, go around. And when the water's moving fast like this, it's tough. You got to be looking constantly. chilled out here. The water's too low right now, but we started here. We put our life jackets on and we floated around, and it like just slingshots you. It was so fun. I'm glad we didn't go that way. That's a nice spot to camp. It turns out as we got closer, we didn't even have to go by the tree, which was awesome. We could just go to the right. But the reason you never grab a tree or branches when you're on moving water on a river is once you grab that, you stop yourself and your kayak, but your kayak keeps going with the river, and what happens is people flip. So you never ever want to grab branches Always deflect and push away branches to the absolute best of your ability. Remember not to grab branches, ladies. Always deflect away, never grab.